Sanganes from HPC 311 Kitchen Essentials. Today I'm going to demonstrate the proper way of sharpening knife using sharpening stone. These are the materials needed: chef knife, sharpening stone, and damp towel for stability. I position the knife at a 15 to 20 degree angle. I make sure to sharpen both sides evenly. Now, I will test the sharpness using paper. Next, I apply gentle pressure while sliding the blade forward. This concludes my demonstration. Always observe proper safety when handling knives. Thank you.